Hey everyone, it's Michael here at Home Health Success Academy, and welcome to another one of our videos. We definitely want to be able to help all you home health agency owners, administrators, DONs, and marketers learn how to be able to succeed in marketing your company so that you can increase your census, increase your referral sources, and also increase the bottom line, which is your income, right? So in this video, we're going to be talking about business cards and the importance of business cards, but not using traditional business cards as much as possible. So, everyone should have a business card. It's the truth. And how do I assess if our marketers are doing good with their business cards? That means they are going through about 1,000 business cards in a matter of 3 months. Obviously, we don't tell our marketers that. Well, now I guess if they watch this video, they will know. But the reason for that is if you actually have and ordered 1,000 business cards, doesn't matter where you ordered from Vistaprint or whatsoever, it doesn't matter. You order these business cards, but then you order 1,000. And by the end of the year, you still have maybe 500 left. That means you potentially gave away only about 250 business cards because the other 250 would just say that got lost, got put somewhere, or whatever. And so you as a marketer, you as an owner of a company, you as an administrator, you should always be networking and marketing as much as possible, and your business cards are important. Now, when it comes to business cards, I want to be able to share what my one business card looks like, and that's what this is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right there. So that's a business card, what it looks. As you guys can see in the bottom part of it was a QR code, and it's important to have a QR card in your business card, a QR code in your business card. The reason for that, it's easily accessible. What you can say is that, when you're meeting people, hey, I was wondering, do you have a scanner in your smartphone? Can you please, go ahead and scan this so you have my information right away in your phone? And that's just a way to be able to get your information in that particular person's phone. Now, as you guys can see, my business card is in my phone. Okay, do I have printed business cards? Yes, I do. But I like to have my business card in my phone as well. And the reason for that is when I'm speaking to someone, what I tell them is this. I said, is it okay if I get your business card? They give it to me. When they give me their business card, I say, is it okay if I send you my e-card? Okay. And a lot of people are curious, like, oh, e-card, interesting. Great. Great. So what you can say is that okay with you? Of course. Great. So let me have your number so I can message it to you right now. And most of the time, they will give that to you. 9 out of 10, they will say, here's my number. Now, why is that important to me that I actually text message them my business card? Number one, it's in their phone. Number two, they have my cell phone number. But the number 3 part, the most important part is I got their cell phone number. Right? It's about grabbing as much information as possible as you can. So your business card is important for you. It's how you use it, whether it's the printed one or it's an e-card. Okay? And that right there is the beginning of everything. Now, guess what? I see this happen a lot, is that you give somebody your business card, they put it in their pocket, they put it in their wallet, and they totally forget about it. They get home, they take the business card out, they probably throw it in the trash. And the reason why I know they throw it in the trash is because I've done that so many times with people that's given me their business card that I wasn't really have any interest of wanting to work with them. And I'm sure that people have given you business cards before. And let me ask this question. Do you actually keep the business cards of these people? Of course not. Right? I've gone to the habit that, I do have an app in my phone, is that if somebody gives me a business card, I can take a picture of that business card, scan it automatically, and it uploads all the information into my phone automatically. Because of, letters recognitions and number recognition softwares. Now, that's important to me nowadays. So, what are you guys doing right now with your business cards? The next thing also, your business cards, honestly, you need to stop having the same typical 3.5 by 2 inch business cards that most people out there have. So my business cards are typically 3.5 inches in length, but only about 1.25 in height. Right? That's the business card I showed you. That's the size of the printout. And the reason for that is that it right there alone stands out to be different. It's unique. And just like how you market your company, how do you make yourself unique? How do you make yourself stand out? Everything should go the same exact way for your company as well and the way you brand yourself. And your business card is also part of your branding. Now, there's some people out there that have business cards and you go to your local printers and you have that 1980s, 1990s style business cards where it's embossed a little bit and it's one color, it's black and then a white background. That needs to stop. Your business card needs to be glossy, it needs to be thick, it needs to be a different size, and at the same time you're making sure that you're using what they call full colored print, which means you're using multiple colors. And you should take advantage of actually making sure that your business cards are printing back and front. So these are things that you should actually start making sure that's part of your organization, that you're taking advantage. Every single aspect of your business is important, including up to your business cards. And so I hope that this video can give you guys a quick tip, a quick strategy on how to improve yourself when it comes to you marketing yourself out there and gaining more information from the people that you're networking out. So once again, this is Michael with Home Health Success Academy. Please make sure you stop by 10xpatientreferrals.com. You know, we have an amazing online marketing university there. So take advantage of that. Also, in addition, don't forget to keep watching our videos on YouTube. We have free videos that we provide for free to people to be able to help you with your marketing strategies. And if you need our help to be able to direct you the right way, to be able to manage and help your company increase your referrals, do give us a call. It's up to you. Once again, our number here is 630-340-8990. My name is Michael with Home Health Success Academy and 10xpatientreferrals.com. Always know that home health marketing is easy when you know what you're doing.